Hello, my friend. Welcome to this journey of self-discovery and inner exploration. Today, we embark on a special path together, one that leads to understanding and embracing the deeper parts of ourselves. This is your introduction to the world of shadow work, a powerful process for personal growth and self-awareness. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Allow yourself to relax in a place where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes gently and turn your attention inward. Start by taking a deep breath in and slowly exhale. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more relaxed and centered. Inhale deeply and exhale completely. As you continue to breathe slowly and deeply, let go of any tension in your body. Relax your shoulders, soften your neck, and release any tightness in your muscles. Allow yourself to be fully present in this moment with me. Now imagine a space where you can safely meet your shadow self. This might be a room, a garden, or any place that feels secure and comforting. Picture yourself in this space, feeling safe and at peace. In this space, you notice a figure approaching gently. This is your shadow self, the part of you that holds emotions, memories, and qualities that you might not usually acknowledge. As you face your shadow, notice how you feel. Remember, there is no right or wrong here. Just observe any emotions or thoughts that arise, without judgment. Acknowledge your shadow self with compassion. Understand that it is an integral part of who you are. It's okay if you feel uneasy or curious. These are natural responses. Take another deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel a sense of acknowledgement and acceptance towards your shadow self. It's time to slowly bring this meditation to a close. Start to bring your awareness back to the room. Feel the surface beneath you. Hear the sounds around you. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Take a moment to sit quietly. Reflect on this experience, on what you felt and saw. I encourage you to journal any insights or feelings that emerged during this meditation. Remember, this is the first step in a journey of self-discovery and embracing your full self. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, take care. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you'd like, you can share your feelings in the comments. See you soon.